Alright guys, so here we're just welding up some recesses to mount these seats into this F100 here. Just needed a bit of space for the handle to adjust it forward and backwards and everything. So hopefully fit in nicely.
Bonnet for the XR, which is behind me, all steel, just come from the panel shop. I've put the all you need on it. Now I've got all my splines, again we're big on splines, refines everything, right? So you would have seen I was getting all the lines up nice, really big on sharp, crisp, straight lines, straight panels. It's what we strive to do. So I reckon I can have this in primer in the next couple of days, and it'll join the rest of the car, which is almost ready to paint.